Collisions are dangerous and can change the course of our season unexpectedly. We do our best to stay safe on the snow, but what happens when, despite our best efforts, space just runs out? If you ever witness a collision or are involved in one yourself, you need to call Ski Patrol so statements may be recorded and Patrol can ensure mutual contact information is exchanged. This is a requirement for all employees, whether on or off duty, at all of our resorts. Scene overview should be the first thing that comes to mind. Weather conditions, snow surface, traffic, and visibility should all be evaluated before entering the scene. Never put yourself in danger. While moving around the scene, make sure you have the appropriate traction and are visible from above. It's important that you always maintain situational awareness. Once the scene is secure, you can then address those involved in the collision. If there is an injury, help them feel comfortable, but do not move the injured person. Call Patrol and be prepared to provide the location of the scene and describe the chief complaint of the injury. Keep the scene safe and request both parties stay together until Patrol can arrive. Finally, as a witness, you'll be asked to fill out a witness form and describe the incident that occurred. If you are ever in a collision while working, contact your supervisor or manager, let them know of the situation, and work with them on the next steps. It's important the situation is understood. When an employee, on or off duty, is involved in a collision, the employee may be suspended from any further work until the situation involving the collision is fully understood. When a collision happens, you may be exposed to liability, so a review of the situation is needed to understand the next steps. Remember, you're an ambassador to your mountain. Work to educate our guests on the responsibility code and the importance of slope safety. If you have any questions after watching this video, please contact your supervisor or manager. Thanks for watching. Have a safe and fun season.